Hello to all. Here I have the Mass Driver, a compensator from Strike Industries. This is a little bit different. Most compensators do require a threaded barrel for you to attach it onto the end. This one here is a 50 state legal compensator. It does not need a threaded barrel. It works a little bit differently. So it is counter recoil. So this actually blows forward as the slide goes backwards to reduce felt recoil. Matches with the width of the slide, so you can probably use like Glock 17 holsters, open bottom 17, 34, 17L holsters, stuff like that. And again, it's 50 state legal since some states you can't have a threaded barrel. They offer it for Gen 3, Gen 4, Glock 19, and 17. On the back, or the bottom rather, let's look at that first. Shows all the little parts to it. So what is it, about 5-6 parts? Guide rod, little adapter plates, the Mass Driver itself, a spring so it can go forward and return, and a cap to seal it all off. So here's this will replace your recoil spring. Make sure telling you to read the instructions. Little tools, Loctite, adapter. And here is the Mass Driver. So it's not too heavy. This rod right here is going to replace your recoil guide rod. Here's a forward spring for the Mass Driver. And let you guys get a closer look at this. Strike does make some interesting products a little bit. I have purchased from them before. Don't dislike their products, anything like that. But for this to be so innovative, and then it's also under $100, you kind of come out a little bit cheaper. If you have a Glock that does not have a threaded barrel, you're looking at anywhere from $100 to, if you go all out, $250 for a threaded barrel. And then anywhere from possibly $60 to $180 for the comp right here. Have your regular barrel. Just purchase this for about 90 bucks. I will be using this on my newest build here, this P80 build. I threw in a factory Glock barrel for right now. So hopefully the lines look really nice, match well with this kind of futuristic cyberpunk, as it's called, slide and this compensator. I'm not going to show the install. Apparently it can be a little bit tricky, and I'm not going to fumble around on camera. So I'll just show you guys once it's done. All right, here we go. The installation is simple, but it's not that easy. It just requires some finger, palm, hand strength and some dexterity. It's kind of, you really gotta get that guide rod in there, push it, hold it. Then once you get it in, lock it in under the barrel. It's pretty easy after that. But here we go. It does not look bad. And again, this is a blow forward device, so as the slide moves back like this actually will move forward, so you have a little counterbalance that's pushing gun forward and extra weight, along with, looks like 4 vents, well, effectively 6 that blow up, and then these other ones that also kind of blow up, blow out to the side as well. And the clearance is pretty tight. I'm not sure, if that's going to hit the slide. I don't think it's touching though. It looks like there's daylight there. It's awfully close right there. I think it might be touching at the bottom. It looks like it touches at the bottom. maybe a little daylight at the top. But I'll be watching that, see if I have any kind of, it already looks like some of the Cerakote actually came off from me just playing with it, from actually just messing with it. So this might not be the best thing for this slide right here because it's making contact. As I said, it looks like space is up there. So in the name of science, I'm gonna possibly ruin my new slide for you guys. Let's see if I let it go forward. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I might be making contact, but we'll see. I'll still take it to the range, try it out on this. With how difficult this was to put on, I'll just compare it directly with a Gen 4 Glock 19. I'll try the same ammo, see what the recoil difference is between something like that. This also does have a lighter slide that could make a difference as well. But I'll let you guys know how the range report goes, and I'll watch that clearance right there. But real quick, it does say it fits the contours of a Glock. Now, this is not obviously not a factory Glock slide. It was 1.13, and at the thickest part of this device here, looking like 1.03. I'm not sure if the dimensions of a Gen 4 and 3 Glock are the same. I would assume they are. So it's a little bit, let me just make sure it gets some measurements from different points. It looks like it's actually a little bit, my bad, I was actually hitting the frame down there, so there we go. 1.01, just all the way throughout. And I'll measure this thickest part again. Was that 1/100th of an inch thicker than a factory Glock slide, and well, this slide doesn't count. So just a very, very, very minute difference in width as far as a factory Glock. If it doesn't work out on this, man, we'll see. Just wait for the range report. It looks cool. I'll see how it performs, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching.